Hello guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve a locker. This right here. So this is mainly for people going to like middle school and everything. And yeah, so I'm just going to quickly come around so it's easier for me. Alright, I'm going to sit like this. Okay, so for this lock, the combination basically, it's a formula. You have to reset it a few times. So go on 0 at first and just keep flipping it around. And if you're, my first number is 1. So I want to land on 1. So yes, as you can see, I'm on 1. That red thingy right up there tells you what number it's pointing at. So I'm on 1 right now. Then you're going to click it, like push it in. Then you're going to go, so that one, you were turning to the right for that one. Now you're going to turn to the left, and my next number is 19. So you're going to go to 19. You're going to, so I'm just going to quickly solve it, and then I'm going to show you guys how to okay, I messed up. Alright, well, I'm going to reset it. Okay. So I'm going to solve it, and then I'll tell you guys like how to solve it. See, I just pop it right out. Okay, and now comes the most important part. Okay, so first of all, that red thing, the indicator, I like to call it. So that, oh, sorry, something happened. So that here, I'm gonna put see that right over there. Yeah, whatever number is under it, like whatever number it's pointing at, that's the number that you're on. Really simple, but here comes the the very kind of difficult part. So the formula of a locker, it's right, left, right, okay? So it's very like confusing, I could say, but like once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. So for this one, my locker code's 1199. So yeah, I'm just gonna remember that. So you're gonna get your locker code. A teacher's gonna tell you your locker code, and then you have to like memorize it through the year, and you have to like solve it through your locker. Okay? So for this one, 1199. So I'm going to reset it by going to the right a bunch of times, at least like 3 times max. So 2, 3. Okay, and then stop on your first number. So it says mine's 1. I'm stopping on 1. So you turned that way. Now you're going to turn this way to get to your next number. But here's the thing. My next number is 19. Here's the confusing thing. So 19 is like over here. Right over here. And here's the thing. So you go over to 19, then you skip it, and then you take another round around, and then you're set. Just go back to it the second time. Click your locker on it, and then my last number is 9. So then you just go right back to the next number, press it, and unlock it. So once again, combination right, left, right, and for the first thing you have to do, spin it. So reset it by spinning it 3 times or more. It's better you don't do it like too many times. So, and then you just land on your first number, click it to lock it in, and then to go to your next number, you go left, and then you skip it, tick around, and then go back to your next number, click it, and then go back to your last number, but don't like skip it or anything, just go onto it and click it, and then just then all you have to do. So I'm just gonna quickly solve it again. Okay. Sorry guys, it's taking a bit of a while. Just failed it. Okay, and then once you like put in all of your numbers, just pull up the top, have it unlock and go like that. Okay, very simple. Just rewatch this video a few times. Mainly if you're like mainly if you need a locker and you're like going to middle school or something. Rewatch this video. It will help you. If this doesn't help you, you could check your check other videos on YouTube. Those may help you. And if those don't help you, just wait till your school year, and then your teachers can teach you how to unlock a lock, alright? So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and comment down below what grade you're going to and your next year. Alright, bye!